Welcome to the Windows Internals CTF. You start at samsclass.info, and there's a link here that takes you to the CTF. And here you just have a series of challenges, and there is a place at the top to submit flags. You just put in a name and a flag. There's some series of flags. Take a look at the letters at the start of the challenge you're doing and choose the right series. Most of them is PMA series, but some of them are H's or ASMs. And then just put in your name and the flag. It's a very simple engine. And if you've already made a Flare VM, which is best, then there's a flag you just find right in the Flare VM to get you started. If you have not made a Flare VM, you can do this project to make one, but if your machine is kind of slow or your internet connection is kind of slow, you might not be able to make that Flare VM. If you can't, you can use any Windows machine by adding the necessary tools for most of these. So you can still try doing the challenges with any random Windows machine you have. The only caveat I would say is that some of these use some, this area here, they use some malware samples, but it's not real malware. It's fake malware that doesn't really do much harm. The only thing about it is some of it's a little bit difficult to remove from your machine, but it doesn't spread or anything. Anyway, so that should get you started, and I'm going to demonstrate things, but I'm going to just start with this little video here for people who show up late so they can get oriented. So the first thing is set up some kind of Windows machine, and then just start doing challenges, and I'll demonstrate these. This, by the way, is not a immensely serious CTF. These challenges aren't completely new, and we're not intending for it to be difficult. And we have people here to help you. We have Caitlin and Liz and Irvin, and we can communicate with you by the chat in Twitch, and then we can move to other things like Zoom as necessary. Coming in loud and clear. Okay, good. Glad to hear it. All right, let me stop this one and put this video up.